my name's Alex Barwin, and today I'm going to be teaching you about trapezoidal approximation. What is trapezoidal approximation? Well, trapezoidal approximation is used to estimate the area under the curve, and this is before we know how to do integrals. The most accurate way to approximate the area under the curve is trapezoidal approximation, and other ways include rectangle approximation. The formula is T sub n being the number of trapezoids, is 1/2 times delta x being the change in x, or the width of the trapezoid, times f of the first x, plus 2f of the second x, plus 2f of the third x, so on, but you want to be sure that the two endpoints, f of x1 and f of xn, are not multiplied by 2. So let's begin with an example. Example 1. We are given a table here with equal delta x's, and we have to approximate the area under the curve using the formula. And we want to use 7 trapezoids because obviously we have 8 values, so 7 trapezoids. And we get that delta x equals 2. So t sub 7 equals 1/2 times 2 times f of 0 plus 2f of 2 plus 2f of 4, so on. We get 1 times 2 plus 10 minus 4 plus 4 plus 20 plus 8 plus 18 plus 6, and we get t sub 7 equals 64. Let's move on. Example 2. We're going to approximate the area under the curve of natural log of x squared plus 3 on the interval 0 to 20 using trapezoids, n equals 7. So first we're going to find delta x. 20 minus 0, b minus a over n, divided by 7. Or you can round that to 2.8571 for a little bit less of an accurate answer. And then we're going to use our graphing calculator to find the y values, as seen over here. I'll teach you how to do this later. And then we're going to plug in the values to the formula. 20 divided by 7 times 1/2 times f of 0 times 2f of 20 over 7, so on, plus f of 140 divided by 7. And we get t sub 7 equals 85.1243. Let's move on. Example 3. Oh, Mr. Farrar has given up his teaching career to become the world's best NASCAR racer. Mr. Farrar's velocity, in miles per hour, in his first test race, can be calculated by x cubed sine of x. Approximate the distance Mr. Farrar traveled using 8 trapezoids from 0 to pi. These are our table with all of our y values. So first we're going to find delta x. We get pi over 8. Then we're going to use our formula to approximate his travel distance, or his area under the curve. So we get t sub 8, because we're using 8 trapezoids, pi divided by 8 times 1/2 times f of 0 plus 2f of pi over 8, so on, plus f of pi. And we get t sub 8 equals 11.7591 miles. Unfortunately, Mr. Farrar will have to keep on practicing to get up to a bigger speed. Good luck, Mr. Farrar. Example 4. We have to find the area under the curve of root 3 minus x plus x divided by 2 in quadrant 2. You can choose any interval you like, but there has to be 6 trapezoids. Use trapezoidal approximation. So first we're going to choose our interval. But keep in mind, because you can't take the square root of a negative number, we have a restricted domain of 3 to infinity, so that all the y values have to be in quadrant 2. So I've chosen to use the interval of -6 to 0, just to keep it simple, but really you can choose any interval you like. So first we have to do find delta x. You get -6 minus 0 divided by 6, so very simple and easy. Delta x is 1. We're going to find the y values and plug into our formula. There's our y values found using the graphing calculator. C sub 6 equals 1 times 1/2 times f of -6 plus 2f of -5, so on, plus f of 0. T sub 6 equals 5.5258. Alright, now we're going to learn into a little bit of a rule. So example 5. Find the average of the left-hand and right-hand approximation and trapezoid approximation of 1 divided by root x on the interval 3 to 8 with 4 trapezoids. What is interesting about these answers? So, let's solve it. Find delta x, b minus a over n, 8 minus 3 over 4 equals 5 over 4. Find the left-hand, right-hand, and trapezoid approximations. The left-hand is going to be 2.3422. The right-hand is going to be 2.2183. And the trapezoid is going to be 2.2803. And then we're going to get 2.3422 plus 2.2183 divided by 2, the average, which is 2.2803. So the reason that the trapezoid